Hi, I'm Emma. Today, I'm cooking beef steak. I'm also making fried vegetables and some sweet corn soup. First, I wash the vegetables. First, I wash the vegetables. I make sure they're clean. I make sure they're clean. I chop the broccoli now. I chop the broccoli now. Next, I slice the carrots. Next, I slice the carrots. I season the beef now. I season the beef now. I add a pinch of pepper. I add a pinch of pepper. I let the meat rest. I let the meat rest. I pour broth into the pot.
I
Pour broth into the pot. I toss the corn in. I toss the corn in. I wait for it to boil. I wait for it to boil. I slowly add the eggs.
I
Slowly add the eggs. I let the soup simmer. I let the soup simmer. I turn the heat on. I turn the heat on. I drizzle oil into the pan. I drizzle oil into the pan. I sear the beef now. I sear the beef now. I cook each side now. I cook each side now. I add butter and garlic.
I
Add butter and garlic. I baste the meat now. I baste the meat now. I take the beef out. I take the beef out. I use another pan now. I use another pan now. I put all the veggies in. I put all the veggies in. I stir-fry them quickly. I stir-fry them quickly. I drizzle some soy sauce. I drizzle some soy sauce. I slice the beef now.
I
Slice the beef now. I plate up the food. I plate up the food. Time for lunch with family. Time for lunch with family.